There are many other hurdles that a freelancer experiences other than the lack of social acceptance. Lack of ideas, lack of equipment, lack of funds, lack of infrastructure, etc. are a few that took front seats in my research. And this is not a case of our Indian subcontinent alone. Hence, we cannot overlook them. We need to find out our pain points, appreciate and accept the hurdles that we have, and work consistently towards mitigating those. The more we win over these hurdles, the more we move forward in our business. This is where power freelancing comes into effect. We will learn in the future lectures how power freelancing will help in identifying the various hurdles and pain points that we have in our respective businesses, acknowledge them and show us a system to solve them as well. It is very important to periodically introspect and search for problems or hurdles that might be hampering our businesses. It is more important that we acknowledge those pain points. Most of the time, we see a problem, but we either skip it or overlook it thinking it is something small and can be managed. These, more often than not, prove to be blunders in our careers. Problems may arise with our money, time, and relationships. We need to search for those and acknowledge wholeheartedly when we find them. The next step is to look for a solution. We should direct our efforts to solve a problem in hand as soon as we can so that the business can run as usual. For probable problems which may occur in future, we need to have a plan in place like business continuity plan that the corporates have. But that is a complete different aspect and we will talk about it somewhere else. Here in this course, let us talk about searching for and recognizing current problems and solving them. We will concentrate in learning a system that can do exactly this. Power freelancing technique will mostly talk about a system of searching, acknowledging and solving pain points that we face in our daily life as freelancers. We will concentrate more on one particular pain point, namely time and work management. This is what we will use as an example to explain the concepts. However, using this system and modifying it in various ways, we can apply this to any problem that we have in our lives. But for anything to happen the way we want, we need to put a structure around the process. In the next lecture, we will talk about the need of a structure and see how power freelancing brings about a structure to the process.